We were doing this question and we were trying to figure out how many is this DNA or RNA, and if this is DNA, why is it DNA? How many bases? How many nucleotides? So over here we can see 4 bases. So Alia, can you tell me what is the name of this base? This one. What is this?
Miss Thymine.
Thymine. Why did you say thymine? Correct.
Because Miss the other base is adenosine.
Acha, good. You said adenosine. Mistake. It's not adenosine. It's adenine. Okay? No, don't say adenosine. Because if you say adenosine, it means you're mixing up DNA with ATP. ATP में there is adenine also and there is ribose also. तो हम उसको मिला के कहते हैं कि ये a combination of adenine and ribose makes it adenosine, and since there are 3 phosphate groups, so हम इसको कहते हैं adenosine triphosphate, which is the name for ATP. ठीक है? So you will use the word adenine, not adenosine, right? Okay, Alia, which base is this?
Miss Guanine.
Guanine. And the reason, let's say if there was no C over here, still I would have said guanine. Why? Even if the examiner doesn't tell me कि ये C है, ठीक है, I would have said कि ये जो है ना, ये वाला, this which I have circled is G. What tells me in this diagram?
It has 2 rings, so it's a purine.
हाँ, 2 rings to 2 rings, तो A भी हो सकता है, तो ये A क्यों नहीं है?
Because Miss A is in the other strand.
चलो मैं A को भी छुपा देती हूँ. Still I'm saying, even if the examiner doesn't tell me anything about it, still I'm saying it's G. Yes, Amna?
Yes, it has the 3, I forgot.
3 hydrogen bonds.
Yes.
Always together and good couple. So the good couple I told you is good, right? The good couple is good. It has 3 bonds. So even अगर ये कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ हो ना, I will just see the number of bonds. I'll count the bonds. 1, 2, 3. तो अगर ये bonds 3 हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये good couple है. Now good couple में G कौन सा है, C कौन सा है? Of course G is heavy. G is a purine, so this has to be G and this one has to be C. ठीक है? Over here I see 2 hydrogen bonds. So this is the heavy one, double nitrogenous ring. तो इसको A ही होना चाहिए और इसको T होना चाहिए, because always together, good couple. Is that clear, Alia?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
ठीक है? अच्छा, yes. What would you write? What answer would you write? You let me know, both of you. You can tell me. It's a 4-mark question, and they are asking you use this figure to explain the structure of. Explain how the structure of mRNA differs from the structure of DNA. ठीक है? 4 marks.
Miss mRNA has uracil instead of thymine.
mRNA?
Has uracil instead of thymine.
Okay. mRNA has uracil instead of thymine. ठीक है. So uracil wala difference. Okay. Anything else, Amna?
mRNA is not a helix, while DNA is a helix.
Okay. mRNA is not a helix. It's a straight molecule. Non-helical. Okay. Any other difference, Alia?
Miss mRNA has ribose sugar.
mRNA has ribose sugar. So this means ribose versus deoxyribose. One more difference. Yes, Amna.
Miss DNA has hydrogen bonding.
Okay. DNA has hydrogen bonding. RNA does not have hydrogen bonding. No hydrogen bonding. And I can also tell you one more difference is DNA is double-stranded. RNA is single-stranded. Let's look at the mark scheme. Okay, have a look and see if we have missed out. We haven't missed out at any point, but these are like all possible points. So, aapko, you should have a look at this. If you're done reading this, then let me know. I will, put up more questions. Done?
Miss, can you explain what the 6 point means?
Detail. Example, H and not OH on C2. This means that when you want to write down the difference between ribose and a deoxyribose, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, 4 and so on and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है? तो suppose कि ये ribose है. Ribose has OH, whereas deoxyribose only has H. This is what they mean on carbon number 2. Is that understood?
Okay, Miss.
Right? This is like more detailed, ठीक है? DNA is longer and RNA is shorter. DNA बहुत लंबा होता है, RNA इतना लंबा नहीं होता, right? अच्छा, I am now showing you the there's a question over here. This question. This is a very, very basic question. You look at these bases and then you name bases P to S. Yes.
Miss, is P thymine?
Okay. P is thymine. Why did you say P is thymine?
Because Miss, there are 2 bonds, so it's either A or T,
Correct.
and then the other one is a purine.
Q? What's Q?
Miss, cytosine.
Correct. What's R?
Guanine.
And what's S? S. Yes, Amna? I don't know whether Amna is here or not. Yes, Amna?
Adenosine.
What is S?
Adenosine.
Adenine. If you say
Adenine.
adenosine, you are wrong. ठीक है? Avoid using the word adenosine. ठीक है? Adenosine हम इस basis में नहीं use करेंगे, वरना you just lose a mark because of this. अच्छा. Yes. What can be the role of the RNA molecule shown in figure 6.1? अच्छा, now I'm giving you a clue shown in figure 6.1. So they are asking you the role of mRNA molecule. Now for that, read question 6.1 अच्छे तरीके से and then think about what could be the role of mRNA molecule, and the role of mRNA molecule के लिए जो marks हैं those are 3. ठीक है? इसको सोचो अच्छे तरीके से. This is not such an easy question.